Hello, my dear children. Welcome to another session of our English class.
Yesterday, we learned about
Interrogative pronouns. Let's see what is an interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Children, who, which, whose, what, whom are used to ask questions. So, they are called interrogative pronouns. Then we learned how to identify an interrogative pronoun and an interrogative adjectives from a sentence. We know interrogative pronouns can stand alone, but interrogative adjectives cannot stand alone. Then, interrogative pronoun replaces a noun, but in the case of an interrogative adjectives, it modifies a noun. Interrogative pronouns generally follow a verb, but in the case of interrogative adjectives, they generally follow a noun or pronoun. Now we are going to discuss about reflexive pronouns. Pronouns in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself are called reflexive pronouns. Now read this sentence. I bought the chocolates for me. Children, here which is the subject and which is the object? Yes, here I is the subject and me is the object, and they refer to the same person. Now read this. I bought the chocolates for myself. Now here what happened, children? Yes, instead of me, I add myself. Here, myself reflects or turns back on the subject itself. So, here, myself is the reflexive pronoun. Now, read the next example. We built a tent for us. Here, we is the subject and us is the object. They refer to a same group of people. So I add ourselves instead of us. Children, listen here. Here, we and us refer to a same group of people. That means plural in number. That time we use ourselves. Our selves. But in the case of singular, we use self. self. Myself. Keep in mind, children, reflexive pronouns end with self or selves. Next example, he enjoyed himself. Here, himself is the reflexive pronoun because it reflects or turns back on the subject itself. Next one, they will enjoy themselves. Here, themselves is the reflexive pronoun. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we discussed about reflexive pronouns. Pronouns in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject itself are called reflexive pronouns. Examples: myself, yourself, yourselves, herself, itself, etc. I hope you all understood today's class. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.